Guys, for today's video, di ba, ilang beses na natin napag-usapan dito sa channel natin na merong mga online lending apps na na-revoke, na padala na cease and desist order. Pero ngayon, nandyan na sila ulit at operating daw legally. Paano nangyari yon? Take for example na lang si Copperstone Lending na ni-revoke ang license pero ngayon, still operating. Ano nangyari, SEC? Well, yan ang pag-uusapan natin today for our Christmas episode number 24. And this is our last Christmas episode po because Christmas na bukas. So, magpapahinga naman po tayo. So, samahan nyo na lang po ako for today's video. Medyo short lang naman din po to. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawan ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, kung di pa kayo aware, Copperstone Lending is operating legally daw. Yan. So, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung papaniwalaan ko kay SEC. Sana nung una naglabas si SEC ng news about revocation, pwede naman niya sabihin na sinamon namin si Copperstone Lending or itong mga ibang online lending app because of some violation. O, diba? At least hindi niya sinabing revoke, hindi niya sinabing pinadala ng cease and desist. Naiisip kasi ng tao na hindi na sila nag-ooperate dapat. Well, ito yung announcement ni SEC. Advisory on previously imposed penalties against certain financing and lending companies. The public is hereby informed that the Commission has lifted, modified, or reversed the previously imposed cease and desist orders, revocation, and or suspension against the following financing and lending companies. Diba? Bakit? So nandiyan na si Copperstone Lending. So si Copperstone Lending ay yung Peso Forest, Poco Cash, Blue Peso, Mocha Mocha, Peso Buffet, Load Cash, and Quickla. E-Lending Incorporated, si Second Pay Financing Incorporated, si Techwang Lending Incorporated, si Gia Financing Incorporated, si Hupan Lending Technology Incorporated, si Cashme Lending Service, si Kayamo Atlas Lending Corporation, Lucky Shell Fintech Lending Corporation, The Golden Legacy Financing Corporation, Just Smile Lending Corporation, Just Smile, si Surety Cash Lending Investor and Corporation, doing business under the name of Surety Cash. And si Simulong Financing Corporation, doing business under the name or the styles of Go Peso, Fast Peso, and Fundly. Yan. Sabi dito, accordingly, all entities enumerated above hold active registration in the Commission's record and are legally authorized to operate as a financing or lending companies, subject to continued compliance with the Financing Company Act, Lending Company Regulation Act, Financing Product and Services Consumer Act, etc., etc., etc. Ito naman daw, may pampalubag loob daw. For clarity, the lifting, modification, or reversal of the foregoing penalties does not extinguish the rights of existing and former borrowers, nor does it preclude the filing, investigation, or resolution of complaints arising from any violation committed by the said entities. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel. Dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. I don't know, but for me, it's a sad news for me. Kasi you know naman how these online lending apps charge their interest sa mga borrowers nila. Napaka hindi makatarungan po ng interest na charge nila. But siguro sana naging strict sila dun sa implementation ng fair collection practice and dun sa memorandum, yung ceiling ng interest rate. Kung nakita nilang may nilabag, kahit siguro one instance, bakit hindi, di ba? Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung nangyayari kung ayoko magsalita. Pero siguro naiisip nyo na yung naiisip ko. I just don't want na manggaling sa akin kung ano man yun. Pero baka ganun na nga. Ang labo, no? Pero ayoko kasi baka gamit tong video ko para masampahan ako or what. Ayoko nang ganun. So, kung ano yung inisip ko, hulaan nyo na lang yun. Yun din siguro. Anyway, yeah. So, let's try to check next year kung may pagbabago ba itong mga online lending apps na to in terms of their interest rate, feedback ng tao with regards to their collection practice, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, napaka-short video lang po nito. Just letting you know na meron ganyang pangyayari na na-revoke na pero na-reinstate ulit na, yeah. I don't know. So, what's your thought about this reversal ng revocation? Lalo na ni Mocha Mocha. Let me know sa comment section sa baba for your chance to win 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Again, guys, Merry Christmas to everyone. This is the last video for our Christmas episode. After Christmas, we're moving towards sa mga year-end videos natin. I hope and I wish na nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan right now and spending Christmas with your family and friends and your loved ones. Sana po maging masaya po kayo, umiwas po kayo sa mga matatabang pagkain. At ang hirap po talaga kasi mag-diet pagdating na ng January. Parang you're going to start all over again. So, medyo hinay-hinay po tayo. Let's watch our health. But don't forget to thank for your blessings to God. Okay? Yun lamang po. I hope you can like this video. Leave a thumbs up. And if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!